Good morning, traders. It's Chris. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's early. This is the early morning briefing, and it is 6:21 in the morning. Some of you are still tucked up in bed, I know. But I'm just getting up just for you to do the markets and let you know what's going on. In terms of gold, congratulations if you banked 100 pips. I banked 100 pips on that move yesterday. Basically, it was running out of steam, which I noticed, and also notice here, if I can grab that, it's an outside bar. So once you get the, let's take that off. Once you get the price moving outside the channel, then that's time to get out. Okay, just bank your 100 pips and walk away, because there is always a correction or a reversal, and we've seen it several times, haven't we, in the past. So that's a good tip, by the way. And of course, by 8 a.m. GMT, there was the price reversal on that order block there. So what now? Well, it's drifting at the moment. It's Friday, and there tends to be lower volumes on a Friday, and there's no real significant news out today which could impact the US dollar, so we may find that it just drifts. Now, if the price comes down to this area here, to this green buy zone, then of course we could see a bounce, and so what we'll be looking for is a buy signal like this. The buy signals cannot be ignored, and I'll tell you why. Because they confirm higher volume, but they also confirm a higher high on the previous candle or a lower low on the previous candle. So don't ignore those. And then you can set them, if you have the software, to actually just come to your email whenever you get a buy or sell. Very easy to do. So buy at about 1952. May come in a bit deeper. 1950 is holding on to support, isn't it? It doesn't like it below that at the moment, but of course if it breaks all the previous buy zones, then of course below 1944 is going to open up at 1935. Congratulations if you're in Bitcoin. I mentioned this and put this in the signals room some time ago, so don't be surprised when you get a parabolic trend how far they go. That is the whole point of a parabolic trend. They're hyper trends. They are ready to make a big move, and then you just hold on. Hold on to your moves as long as you can, because they are the ones that make you all the money. And so we had 5,000 pips previously, and we're up something like 3,000 or more pips now. So going to $40,000 probably in the next 24 hours. Congratulations on oil this week, traders, because in the weekly Forex forecast I predicted $77. It hit it within a couple of days, and you had a nice sell signal on the advanced pro chart, so congratulations there. I've done a video on YouTube, hopefully you saw that, on the analysis of gold. So we are expecting a pullback, and if we get the pullback to around $81, top end of $81, then that will be convergence, not divergence, convergence, and that will be a selling opportunity down to $68. I'll be doing a full analysis later on this afternoon for members. Congratulations if you're in the signal room, Forex Signal Group. The price on US yen has hit our target as expected, and 155 pips if you held on to that. Congratulations. And now we can expect a pullback, possibly. We need a bit more information, but nonetheless, once it breaks down, we're expected to go down to 149.75. As mentioned in the VIP room, and I put a post yesterday, if you saw that, there's head and shoulders. So you've got the head up here, shoulders, and I put this chart into the VIP room yesterday. So any kind of breakdown of this trend line is going to give you a sell opportunity. Congratulations if you're short the Aussie yen. It's just about going to hit target 96, 96.33. We can probably go a bit closer to see this. That's a better picture, isn't it? So we do have some kind of divergence, not very clear, but nonetheless a nice move. Congratulations if you're in the signals room. We're going to have to be patient with these yens, aren't we? Pretty much sideways, but in profits are nonetheless highly likely to go up. So there is going to be another trading opportunity in the next few days, probably early next week. Same with the euro yen. That's doing better than the pound yen. Now we are break even now. We entered somewhere back here, and so we can now move our stop to this area here. So somewhere there, just put it below the 50 EMA, somewhere around there, and lock in the profits and let them go. And that's the beauty of the parabolic trends. You risk your money at the beginning, 1 or 2%, but as the price moves up, you move up with the Advanced Pro charts, and then you lock in profits, but you let it go. So now we can actually think about moving our target, because I think there's a big move coming, but I'll let you know about that in the signal room. Pound Canadian, still long this, and looks like another trading opportunity, doesn't it, coming up, as you can see, in profit. And we can obviously move our stop to this area here now to lock in that profit, which is, where is that, about there. So there is another trading opportunity. Retesting the 50 EMA is very common, and if the stochastics oversold as well, then we can actually expect a bigger move up to target of 17094. Canadian Swiss into profit, so happy days. We had a lovely bounce off of the buy zone here on this 1 hour chart, heading for our target of 65.71. Congratulations if you traded it. Pound Swiss, if you're still in it, congratulations, you're about 100 pips in profit and heading for 108.52. However, we need to keep an eye on the Swiss franc futures to dictate where this goes now, but highly likely to continue to fall. So we'll look at euro dollar. Right, euro dollar, the prices this week are just drifting in terms of Forex, aren't they? Very little actually going on in terms of the US dollar especially. So we've got this going on here. We've got a bit of a double bottom with some weak support, we have to say. So maybe we might have to wait for this price to come down to this major support area of 106.13 before we look at that. So I'm going to put an alert there. If it comes down to that area while I'm out and about on the golf course, then of course we'd be looking to go long at that point. That's it. Have a wonderful day. I'll be doing the daily video analysis for members later this afternoon.